Hello students, today I am going to start question number 7 of exercise 3.7. Now question number 7 says 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 435 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. So here we have 3 tankers and one contains 403 liters, another contains 434 liters and the third one contains 465 liters of diesel. We have to find one maximum capacity of a container which can measure the diesel of these 3 containers exact number of times. So we will have to find the maximum capacity of a container. So maximum means we will have to find the highest capacity, and highest means we will have to find the HCF. So HCF of 403, 434 and 465. Okay, so 403 is divisible by 13. See here, if you divide 403 by 13, we'll get 13 3s are 39, so it's 1, then 13 1s are 13. Okay, so here I've got 31. Now 31 1s are 31. Now we will find the prime factorization of 434. As the last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 17s are 34. Okay, so here this won't be divisible by 2. After this, here this 217 is divisible by 7, so we can take 7 here. 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Now 31 1s are 31. Okay, now next we will have to find the prime factorization of 465. So as last digit is odd number and last digit is 5, so it will be divisible by 5, right? This can be divisible by 3 also, because some of the digits 4 plus 6 plus 5, 4 plus 6 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. So it will be divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now after this won't be divisible by 3, as 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 doesn't come in 3's tables, but it can be divisible by 5 as last digit is 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now 31 1s are 31. So the factors of 403 are 13 multiplied by 31, and factors of 434 are 2 into 7 into 31, and factors of 465 are 3 into 5 multiplied by 31. So what we can observe here, that 31 is common. So 31 is the highest common factor. So we will write the HCF is 31. Okay. So we'll write the answer. Find the maximum capacity of a container. So we'll write the maximum capacity will be 31 liter. So the maximum capacity will be 31 liter. Okay. Now coming to question number 8. Now question number 8 says find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. So at first we are ignoring this remainder which is 5. So you will have to find the number in such a way that the number will be divisible by 6, 15 and 18. Means when you divide the number by 6, 15 and 18, you get 0 as remainder. And you will have to find the least number. So how will you find the number which is divisible by these 3 numbers? We will have to find the LCM of these 3 numbers. So LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So 6, 15 and 18 we'll write at first. Then see here these 3 numbers is divisible by 3, so we'll take 3 at first. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Now 2 and 6 is divisible by 2, so we'll take 2. 2 1s are 2, 5 cannot be divided by 2, so 5 will be here. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 5 also again will not be divisible by 3, so 5 will be here. So 3 ones are 3. Then 5 ones are 5. So the LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So 90 is the number. When you divide this 90 by 6, 15 and 18, you will get 0 as remainder. But here you will have to find that we will have to find the number in such a way that after dividing 6, 15 and 18, we get 5 as remainder. Okay. So the required number will be, this was the LCM, 90 was the LCM. You will have to add 5, means the remainder to be added with the LCM to get the required number. So it's 95. Now when you divide 95 by 6, 15 and 18, then you will get 5 as remainder in each case. Okay. So this was all about question number 8. Thank you, students.